Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And I was like, but it's there. The God of Moses, right? And then when we ran into that, and then it was just reversing of like, nah, God encourages this. Yes, we do know God like prides himself with Isaac, Abraham, and Jacob. So yeah, by at least the Bible is a whole testimony of God's specific person. Yes. Because it's a thing of like, unless if there is a person that it would just be personal somehow, then I would understand. But yeah, I think it reminds
Umuntu ukholwa into ayibonayo.
Uvuka kanjani every day because of nenyanga yakho idepende ekuvukeni kuNkulunkulu. Wasashembe udepende kuNkulunkulu ukuthi avuke. Remember ukuthi ubuthongo bathi yini sela.
Yeah, umuntu makalele guys state. If ufuna ukwazi ukuthi how death looks like.
Exactly.
Look at you ukuthi like ulala ungaphuphi nothing. Bese uvuka ekseni. Where were you?
Exactly.
And you woke up. Where were you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Some, they say they are working at night. It's fine with them. Let them work. But we are speaking about the ones that are saying, siyalala. To wake up ngo-5 o'clock because of ingqondo seyijwayele, uvuso ubani?
Yeah.
Uvuso ukuhlakanipha kwakho, or uvuso i-degree yakho, or uvuso ushembe na.
Yeah.
Or uvuso ulo omdoubtayo all the time.
Yeah.
Because of lo omdoubtayo, he knows the minute and the hour and the second of your life.
Yeah.
Even though you are going to get to that accident, he knows.
Exactly.
He protects you. Sometimes ungaba late, uthi hayi mani ngibheka isicathulo somntana, kanti uhlela indlela yakho ukuthi not ngayi ngalo. Akuhlelela indlela. And when you claim, you say amodlazi wami ayaphila.
Uvuka ekseni passing accidents when usetaxini ama accident people are dead. Inyanga yakho. Really? Inyanga yakho. Inyanga yakho lena abantwana bafebayo. Inyanga yakho leyo that saves you in these accidents. Abantu bayafa every day. Inyanga yakho still. Our time is yes. Our time is finished. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Gear Shift Network channel and also support our membership in financing the Step Up Foundation. Your closing remarks?
My closing remarks, I would like to say, ebantwini sisazaya ku 2026. Let's put God first. Let's not make God an idol. Agoyekele yonke into and put your trust in God or put your faith in God.
Yeah.
Akafuni faith engakanani, ufuna elingana angazi ngizosho isilungisi right now with the mustard seed.
Yeah.
Then bona ubukhulu bakhe in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
If awungenanga efamily whoever, uNkulunkulu is trying to tell you ukuthi 2026 it's a new year. La kumele kubonakale ubukhulu bakhe nobuhle bakhe.
Yeah.
I'm not preaching, but thank you. We hope ukuthi kunonyaka lona esuzophela you will do the right things. We love you and take care. Be safe. Be safe. Happy Christmas and a happy New Year. We love you as Gospel Gear Shift.
Hi, my name is Anati, and I just wanted to say something to you guys. You can tell your kids that we have a surprise for them next year. I'm not sure which month, but we really have a surprise. I would like them to watch it. Bye. Do not forget to like and subscribe and share to those who are nearby.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. We're out of here.